All right, thank you so much for getting to lesson number 3. Hopefully, lesson 1 and 2 were super valuable. Today is one of my favorite. It is retargeting ads. It's all happened to us before. Maybe we said something or we searched for something and then we started seeing those ads everywhere. And that's really what you want to do. Is you don't know where your ideal customer is actually hanging out. So maybe we dialed in Google. Maybe we dialed in Instagram. But as soon as they hear about you, we want to start showing them in at least 2 other platforms. So for me, if somebody comes from YouTube or X, then I want to make sure I show them on Google, Facebook, Instagram over and over and over, including, of course, YouTube and X from where they found me from. So we want to make sure that they're getting those emails, that they're getting those retargeting ads, and this is how it's done. So for me, I like to set up super personal style ads. For me, I know people just aren't ready to purchase something from me or get started uh, working with me right away. So what I try to do is connect and build better relationships. So in my ads, I'm just asking them to follow me. And then if you look here on my Google ads, I'm just showing my 3-step system again as retargeting, something that they have already seen. So you've seen my lead generation system. We're going through it right now. But now I want you to start seeing this on all the different platforms. And you can still see why branding is so important. We want to make sure we have those high quality photos, high quality videos, so they start remembering and seeing the relatable content over and over. Now, when it comes to retargeting on social, I like to post on Google My Business, on Facebook, on LinkedIn, on TikTok, and of course on Instagram and all the different platforms out there. You can do that on something like Go High Level, where you get all of those posts out and then turn on the ads. Now, in order to set this up, you need to set up Google Tag Manager. Google Tag Manager is where you're going to set up all these different tags to make sure you do the retargeting. So you can see I've got my Facebook meta pixels in here, but I don't want to just track visitors. I need to track add to carts, people that have scheduled, people that have viewed certain content, people that have filled out different forms. Then I need to set up my Google tags, people that have watched my YouTube videos, that have visited my website, that have searched for different search terms. And then from there, I need to also set up different analytics based on my emails and my Go High Level chat, including Twitter, TikTok, and LinkedIn tags as well. If you don't have this set up yet, it's really difficult to set up. I recommend getting somebody from Fiverr, like a freelance site, to set it up for you, or just have my team set it up. So now what we want to do is pixel them. Then we're going to start setting up those retargeting ads to try to get them to remember. From there, what you need to do is continue building relationships. When I show you this here, if I ask them to leave X or I ask them to leave YouTube or Google, they're going to charge me dollars per click. But if I simply keep them on platform and I say, follow me, and on YouTube, subscribe and watch my videos, it's going to be pennies per click. That's how you're going to get the biggest impact for your brand. And here's a really good example of it. I've got a new traffic campaign set up in Meta. I've got AI figuring out where it wants to send the audience. And then I've got a video here that's basically saying, visit my Instagram profile and follow me. You can see that I'm having fun in the video. I'm adding personality. I'm speaking on brand here, and I'm just trying to keep them on platform. Now, every single follower I get here is just pennies, pennies, pennies. So I'm able to start getting thousands of people to follow, subscribe, and learn more about me instead of paying dollars per click. And we want to do that across every single platform, like X, follow me, YouTube, subscribe to my channel, Meta, and Instagram. Make sure that you basically just go to my profile, and then hopefully you take action from there. Now, in the ad accounts, once they follow you, once they engage, once they like you, once they've heard about you once, you can retarget them from your website, which we have set up here in the ad account settings. But then what's super important is you can actually retarget people that have liked or followed your page. You can do this on every single platform. So if we scroll down here, you're going to see in the ad set level that you're going to be able to choose a custom audience, and you can see people that have visited the website, people that have engaged on Instagram, your customer list. You can also import all of this data here. Now, what happens is once you start collecting this data, you're going to miss out on a lot of people. So if somebody comes to my website here and maybe they're on my contact page, they've been to any of my other pages here, and I want to go retarget them on Google, Facebook, Instagram, and X, right? So I'm only going to get about 44% of those people. So what we do is we install this software called Data Shopper on the site, And in the Google Tag Manager, we install this, and it's going to start collecting all the original data from the people that have been to the site. Then what we do is we copy and paste, and we go back into the ad accounts, and we add that here to our audiences, and then we create the custom audiences from here. And that's how you truly can retarget and scale your brand. So what are you waiting for? I hope you go implement this, find your ideal customer where they're hanging out, get them to your landing page, follow up with emails, post consistent social media content, use the AI prompts that I gave you down below this video, and most important, follow up 24 times on 3 different channels. Use this retargeting right here. Now, retargeting is one of the hardest things to set up with tracking and retargeting, so I recommend trying to go to that freelance site, Fiverr, hiring somebody to set it all up for you, and or hiring an agency. You can work with AutomationLinks to set this up for you. Now, if you need even more help and you want us to actually show you and implement all of these systems, feel free to go grab our business brand builder right here. This business brand builder is going to give you the full go high level system, the landing pages, the 24 automation emails, show you how to set up the X ads, the YouTube ads, the meta ads, and basically give you everything to copy and paste into your brand. So I hope to see you on my next videos. And if you need any help, make sure you hit that contact page and let us know how my team can help. Thanks again for going through the system. I hope to see you soon.